at Bartow Florida FTR. Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're in Bartow Florida racing FTR. This is going to be our second race. Alex is still isn't here, so yeah, that kind of
Alex
sucks.
ain't here?
No.
Where he at?
He's in
Playing with Air Force over there, Little Rock?
Arkansas, yeah.
Yeah.
Today we're going to be riding in my 300 and Garrett's going to be having his first race this season on his White 250. Finally get to race. It's going to be fun.
I mean, give me predictions of what's gonna happen.
Well, my bike's kind of unpredictable right now because he's just kind of been failing me recently. So we'll see.
My prediction is that one of us is going to crash. He's going to get somewhere between third and second, definitely not first. And then, I don't know which is going to get first, me or him. With all the breaks he takes, maybe me.
What about your prediction, Sam?
Okay, well, I think he's gonna get last. I mean,
Oh, you're gonna get last?
No. Well, I'm at least going to get like one place.
How many in the class?
14 people in our class.
14 people.
I'll get 13.
Oh my god.
I'll get 13.
I'll probably get 14, maybe third or second. That's my prediction.
What, you fell asleep?
Garrett got last. He came in. What? Yeah, because he did 2 laps.
You fell asleep?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to the car.
What's going on, guys? Happy Thanksgiving. As you guys can tell, I'm still here in Little Rock, enjoying my time, I guess. Missing the races though, so I should be coming back, I think, for the first race of 2023. So I think that's in Brooksville. Yeah, I think that's around the time that I should be coming back. So I'm definitely looking forward to that. So yeah, I want to show you guys something real quick. So the other day I was looking at Hare Engineering's page, and I noticed that they're coming out with some new wheels. And I bring this up because right now we've been currently having a problem with we've been running hypers, right? And we've been having a problem with our bolts being stripped after, you know, some use and stuff. So I noticed these wheels on Hare Engineering, and I saw that those bolts they look a lot more bulkier and beefier than just any normal wheels, you know what I mean? I want to get a set as soon as they come out, just to try them out, you know what I mean? You know, and plus on top of that, you know, the style looks awesome, you know what I mean? I love the design on there, you know, on the lip around the fucking B-locks and stuff, so it looks really cool. I'm gonna try to get my hands on these as soon as I can and test them out and probably make a review on it, make a whole video about them. So you know, make sure to stay tuned for that whenever that does come out. I'm gonna be testing them on the races and stuff like that, on the racetracks and all that, so should be pretty good. Well, I guess that's it for me. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.